Welcome back to Living in Lakeland, and I'm Elizabeth Willers with eXp Realty and the Willers Homes team, and I have here with me
Karley Bruder.
And today's episode is going to be a seller's tip. So everybody knows right now, and the seller tip is
buy downs.
So everyone knows that the market is very challenging right now. The market has shifted. There's much more new listings on the market, and days on the market is a lot longer to sell, and a lot of reductions are happening right now. So if you are a seller and you can't sell your house before you think about reducing the price, we have a suggestion. It's called a buyer's buy down. And what is a buyer's buy down?
So what a buyer's buy down is instead of reducing the purchase price as a whole, the seller will offer the buyer a credit. So what this does is this helps with the crazy interest rates that everyone is so scared of right now.
Like right now.
Yeah, right now it's like 7%. So what this will do is say your first year. So if it is 7%, your first year might go down to 6%, might go down to 5%, and then the next year, and then it will go back. But what this does is it makes the home more affordable to the buyer. So in certain situations, a buyer might not have been able to afford that home without that buyer buy down. So
that could
definitely very beneficial.
That could reduce the mortgage payments by $60, $100, or whatever. So that's a great tool for a seller to use. So instead of reducing the price, do offer a credit.
Yeah.
So that's a really good one. Okay, so now next week we're going to have a seller's tip or a buyer's tip. What is it going to be?
It's kind of both. It's more of a seller's tip, but it also has to do with buyers. Next week we're talking about buyer turnoffs, and I'm really excited for this one because I've been working with a lot of buyers. So
yeah, I'm excited about that too because there's so many turnoffs that we know about.
Yeah. Because
we're showing houses, and you'll be amazed what turns off buyers.
Yeah, the things we see on a daily basis. But stay tuned, guys. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.